In this lesson, I will explain to you multiplicative inverse of two matrices. So the question is determine whether the given matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other or not, right? So there are two matrices. This is the first matrix. This is the second matrix. We will multiply these two matrices. There is no name. Okay, if suppose if I will say this is the X matrix or this is the Y matrix, we will multiply these two matrices, and if the answer is equal to the unity matrix or the identity matrix, it means these are the multiplicative inverse of each other. Otherwise, no. This is the question. In exam, they will not let you know that you have to prove the multiplication of this should be equal to this. Question should be whether these two matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other or not. It means you have to multiply these two matrices and the answer should be the identity matrix. Then you can say yes, these two matrices are the multiplicative inverse of each other. Okay, so X and Y. First we will write down 3 and 4, 5, 7, and the Y is like this, right? In multiplication, keep in mind if it is xy, you have to write down x first. If it is yx, then you have to write down y first, right? Okay, multiply first row with this column, then same row with the second column. 3 multiplied by 7 plus 5 multiplied by -4, right? This is this. I will write in parentheses. Now 3 multiplied by -5 plus 5 multiplied by 3. Now come to the second one. 4 multiplied by 7 plus 7 multiplied by -4. Here same second row multiplied by second column plus 7 multiplied by 3. And this is still here. Okay. So now we will write down 3 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 21 minus 20. This is 28 positive, 28 negative. Here is -15 positive 15. This is -20 plus 21. So see 21 minus 20, which is equal to 1. This is positive -28, positive -15, 1. So see, yes, these are the multiplicative inverse of each other. See, we multiplied these two matrices and the answer is the unit matrix or the